Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. In today's video, we're going to be making a fun Crockpot Fiesta Chicken. I like this recipe because it's easy. It can be used for a nice cozy dinner or an appetizer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get started. I'm using 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm going to place those right into the crock pot. I also wanted to add that rotisserie chicken also works great for this recipe. I am sprinkling the chicken with some taco seasoning mix. I added an additional pack of seasoning mix for a bolder flavor, but 1 pack is more than enough. And I'm just going to sprinkle the chicken until it's fully covered. I'm dumping in 1 can of black beans, 1 can of corn, 1 can of Rotel, and lastly, I'm going to top everything off with 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm going to place the lid on, and this is going to cook on low for 5 to 6 hours. Once the timer's up, I'm going to remove the lid, and here's how it looks so far. I'm going to gently push everything aside so I can remove the chicken. The chicken can be shredded right from the crock pot. However, I like to remove mine because I don't want to smash my other ingredients and get everything all mushy. And once I'm done shredding, I'll just add all of the chicken back into the crock pot. Next, I'm just going to stir everything really well. I'm going to keep stirring until all of that cream cheese is melted and blended in with the rest of the ingredients. And really, that's all there is to it. In the next couple of shots, I'll show you some additional ways that you can serve this Fiesta chicken. Thank you all so much for tuning into my video. Leave a spoon emoji in the comments if you made it this far. And don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. As always, happy cooking.